What the fuck?
Now smile. Smile. Why? Just do it. I'm afraid I can't smile without a reason.
How do you call it? Fuck.
Smile. What's the smile about? Just
Hello, I'm Bruno Hoffman, 70 years old and from Siegen in Germany. Check out my WethePeople bike.
Listen up, perform crowds. It's time to knuckle down, boys. Back on your heads. Get your shoulders.
I ride the WethePeople Scorpio frame. The top tube is 20.75. I don't really have it this long, but I'm into it. I know, feels good so far.
Think about yourself.
I ride the Eclat OD grips. I really like them. After like 2 weeks you got into them, I really start feeling good. And I got the Eclat stem and the new Eclat fork. Don't really know anything about it yet, but
But there's never any tomorrow come.
I ride the Eclat hubs in front and back, also with the Eclat rims. I also ride the WethePeople toxic packs in front and back, as well as the WethePeople feeling tires. They're good. I got the WethePeople cranks. Also got the Eclat plastic pedals. Can never really go wrong with some plastic pedals. Got a WethePeople slim seat. Simple one. Alright, that's it. I hope you liked my bike check. Peace out.